We developed a toolkit that has actually been adopted and is accessible on both the NITAU website, on the UCC website, that parents can look at on how to engage with their children. At the moment, the toolkit is in English. It has different guidelines, not just for parents, but also for the teachers and the children. It's in English, but our goal is to see that we try to translate it and digitize it. Digitizing it, making it, viral, easily accessible, say, if it's an app, simple tools. And this toolkit captures from ages 5 to 10, the different age groups, because the way children access internet, the way children learn, you find that 2 to 5, when you're dealing with them, it's a different approach from 5 to 10, or even, the teenagers. So we've provided those sort of, guidelines, but at the moment, it's only accessible in English, but which is the official language, so I'm sure everyone can easily access it. For the parents, I strongly encourage them to find time to engage their children about online safety. It is important not only to engage them, but for them also to be able to understand how the internet works. And with the Internet Society, we have lots of materials, not just for children, but also for the parents, because we know that charity begins at home. So an empowered parent is an empowered child. So without having to say that, train the children, the parents need to first engage, learn how the internet works, how can I be safe online, and then once you get that knowledge, you're able to pass it on to the children. But I would mainly encourage them to find out, to engage with the children on their online activities. If your daughter, your son sends you a Facebook request, just don't deny it. Accept it, because they're giving you some sort of, part of their lives. It's like trying to introduce you to their online friends. And we know that right now, online and offline are the same spaces, although the way we interact there is differently. So I've known of some parents who try to not accept their children's Facebook requests or, Instagram and all that. But I think it's good practice to be able to, if they've given you that, it's like trust. Here, come be my friend, continue with that friendship, because there you're opening up the doors to their other online world.